Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today we're going to test out the actual reverse camera and the actual camera itself and the actual speed. We haven't adjusted time yet, nothing is adjusted, just purely a test for this one. This is the one with the IMS bearing. It's all done, so we're going to actually go for a road test and at the same time show you how the camera works and show you how to pop up the speed on the windscreen there, like the BMW and all that. New cars have that, so we got it there now. So all right, so just here, just press this one. All right, now we're going to test it out. Driving the car. You can see this one here, the speed is showing already. Speed is saying 44. Go down here. Have a look at the speed here. I'm doing 40, whatever. Sorry, I can't look, but it's actually pretty matched up. Okay, go back up here. Look at the camera. Next you see the cars. We'll go into the traffic to see how many cars behind us. So there's some cars coming there. That's good. I think we have to adjust the camera, so let's go closer so you can see more. There you go, there's a car behind us and we're doing 56, 53 kilometers per hour. Speed camera's there, so gearing down. Pretty cool because you can actually see everything in the actual, you can see what's behind you. Sorry if the video is not good, but we're trying our best to actually film at the same time driving. You can see the speed here as well. You look at the speed, it shows you the speed there as well. There is a delay bit for the speed as well to come up and down, but at least you know roughly where you are with the speed as well, and the cars behind you as well. Yeah, it's a GPS, so it's gonna pick up the signal first. So, and the front camera is actually running as well. So actually, sorry, that's the reason why I want to go straight up. Alright, we're back now, so we're going back to the workshop. The actual camera is really working pretty good. You can see the cars behind you now. Don't have to worry about looking over your shoulder for the actual blind spot. And you've got the speed here as well, display. So I'm doing 40, 41, 43 kilometers, and it's showing 41 there. It's give or take plus or minus. I think this is more accurate than the actual speedometer here, but now we can actually see more here, especially at night time. It's really hard to see cars at night time, but now we actually clutch feels good, gearbox feels good. A few things to check next week, but the car is actually running, and that's the main thing. I wanted to drive it, and going back into the workshop now. There's a few Boxster in the workshop as well. That one there's a major service. And yeah, all right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.